Today, we are diving into the world of humidity and temperature measuring instruments with a comparison of two amazing devices, the HygroFlex 3 and the HygroFlex 4 offered by Rotronics. The detailed video on HygroFlex 4 is already available on our channel. You can click on the link shown on iCard for the same. In this video, we will unbox the wall version of the HygroFlex 3 and take a detailed look at its specifications. Let's get started. The HygroFlex 3 is a compact and reliable humidity and temperature measuring instrument, perfect for HVAC applications and climate control in office buildings, museums, warehouse, and more. Let's look at its specifications. First, if we see the accuracy, then it offers plus or minus 1.5% RH for the humidity and plus or minus 0.2 degrees Celsius for temperature. Next, if we see the measuring range, then it has range of minus 40 to 60 degrees Celsius for temperature measurement, and for humidity it has 0 to 100% RH. Some key features that are offered are dew point calculation, freely programmable analog outputs, and a robust polycarbonate housing. Next, if we see the applications, then it is ideal for HVAC industries, offices and spaces where appearance matters. Lastly, if see the mounting types, then it's available in various models for wall, duct, and room mounting. Today, we'll focus on the wall version for HygroFlex 3. So, let's unbox the HygroFlex 3 wall version. As you can see, the packaging is sturdy, ensuring the product is well protected during transit. Inside the box, we have the HygroFlex 3 device, pre-mounted for wall installation. User manual for quick setup. The design is sleek, and its ABS housing feels durable. It's clear that this device is built to last. Now, let's compare the HygroFlex 3 and HygroFlex 4 to help you decide which one suits your needs. First, we will see the accuracy. HygroFlex 3 offers plus or minus 1.5% RH and plus or minus 0.2 degrees Celsius accuracy. Whereas HygroFlex 4 is slightly more advanced, with plus or minus 1.0% RH and the same plus or minus 0.2 degrees Celsius temperature accuracy. Next, if we see the temperature range, then HygroFlex 3 measures temperatures from minus 40 to 60 degrees Celsius. Whereas HygroFlex 4 has an extended range, measuring from minus 50 to 100 degrees Celsius. Calibration and configuration for both the series is as follows. HygroFlex 3 requires software for 2-point adjustments, whereas HygroFlex 4 allows 1-point calibration directly from its keypad for convenience. Please note that the keypad version of HygroFlex 4 is available only on request. Next, if we see the connectivity options for both series, then HygroFlex 3 supports analog signal outputs, whereas HygroFlex 4 includes additional connectivity like Ethernet, LAN, and RS485, making it more versatile for industrial applications. Lastly, power consumption in both series can be as follows. Both are energy efficient, but HygroFlex 4 offers slightly better performance for high-demand scenarios. So viewers, both the HygroFlex 3 and HygroFlex 4 are exceptional devices, each with its strengths. If you are looking for a budget-friendly option with reliable performance, the HygroFlex 3 is perfect. But if you need advanced features and enhanced accuracy, the HygroFlex 4 is the way to go. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more product overviews and tech tips. See you next time.